That's it. Let's go.
Happens if two CUDA rays like each other? And I think I have the answer. Black holes with the mass of our sun will take 10,000 billion years to evaporate. 0.0000001% of its mass. Meaning, black holes will be around for more years after the last star has died than there are atoms in the observable universe. They will be the oldest thing left.
What if they're a portal to something else? What if a black hole is actually a God's eye? If you look at our eyeball, it looks like a black hole. What if a black hole is just an iris? What if I throw a GoPro into the black hole with a string and I just pull it back out?
It's Yaldabaoth's eye.
Yaldabaoth's eye? You going in there? Bro, look. Bro, chat, y'all so dumb sometimes, bro. Look at it. Yep, I'm going back on the drawing board. Bro, a black hole, right? Look like this, right? With a weird-ass fucking halo. Doing all types of shit like this. Sucking shit in, right? A black hole. Right? This is me in planet Earth. I fucking throw with a fishing hook, right? This is the fishing hook. I cast it back and I throw it as hard as I can forward the line. And there's a GoPro in the line. GoPro. Right? All the way to the black hole. And I just record what the fuck's in it. And then one day I could just wake up and be like, time to pull it back. And I just reel it back in, right? I reel it back. And then I could just go on my laptop and revise the footage. And that's me, like, with my GoPro again. And I'll be like, hey, first GoPro in space. And I could just, like, revise the footage. Bro doesn't know something
what
we do.
What if a black hole is just Retro's booty hole?
Ew. Ew, you said it would disintegrate? Lily, how would we know if it will disintegrate? They just said it's like a hole. It's just a mass, right? It's just like a mass. How do we know that? Nobody ever been to a black hole. Did they ever send somebody? You said, how do you know? That's what I'm saying. We really don't know. It's kind of like the moon landing, right? You telling me that we landed on the moon with the 1950 technology. Bro, somehow we landed with old ass technology on the moon and we can't do it again? Let him cook? Bruh, ain't there footage of a black hole already somewhere? Nah, I don't think there's footage. Why does it all come back to the moon? Why? Because it's in space. It's in space.
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
Look. Right? Like I said, throw me into space, but I got a big ass book bag with a tree in it. Infinite fucking oxygen. Bro, I will just zoom out there. But look, put on a bodysuit as well that has a heater.
Streamers giving the worst fucking takes in existence. Streamers giving the worst fucking takes in existence.
Look,
streamers giving the worst fucking takes in existence.
Has a heater. A heater.
You can think of a black hole as a vacuum tube that leads to quite literally nowhere. It's enter only. No exits.
No exits? But what if it takes us somewhere?
Fuck a crisis core. The real crisis is what's going on in this man's brain.
Yo, I'm cooking, right? So I'm in space floating, and I got a little jetpack on my feet, right? Like Shadow the Hedgehog. I got the soaps.
No.
Ben, come on, man. Just give me a chance, Ben. I got Shadow's shoes. I fly in space. And then I head towards the black hole. In the horizon.
Yeah.
I'd be like, I'm fine.
It won't take you anywhere but to just more space. It's a black hole, not a wormhole. Those are different.
We don't know that, though. What if...
No wonder you like chi. You both can cook badly.
Look, what if the black hole is a portal?
Nigga, you're cooking worse than Emma.
Yo, no. What if the black hole throws us into a new dimension?
Retro is the type of nigga who think that the stars in sky are actually star shape.
Bro, you know damn well when we go into space, some motherfuckers is like this, bro. They straight up like this in space. And the Little Dipper is actually a pail. Like, we go up there, we gonna see that shit like this.
If a black hole did that, then it wouldn't be a black hole. It would be a wormhole.
But how would we know that? We've never even been to it. What if it's just a hole going like this? And we go in, and when we get out to the other side, right? We land, and it's like a whole new Earth. And we go there, and everyone's smiles are on their forehead, and their eyes are here. And their feet are here. All right, man. Fuck this shit, man. This is getting too. I'm destroying my own brain, bro. I'm donezo, bro. My head hurts. Close the door.
Theoretically
Yeah.
speaking,
Straight off the
Close the
spines
door.
of the hype
Since
train,
you
we
wanna
have Buddy
prove that
Daddy
alternates
showing what would
exist.
happen if John Wick.
Theoretically speaking, gonna add that since you want to prove an alternate exists. Maybe. What if that's the entrance to the back rooms?
Ignoring
What?
this 4-year-old's incoming repressed trauma, this one's pretty cute actually, and a lot of that is down to how
Retro,
good
the
of a
type
job
of
they're
nigga
doing
to
at
think a
portraying
black
this
hole
kid.
is anime waifus. That's why he wants to be the first to get it so bad.
Retro the type of dude to think a black hole is an anime wife. That's why he wants to. True. That's true. It's true, right? So, right, these scientists, right? This is Earth. They got a stupid telescope like this big talking about, oh, we could see 500 years into the future. This planet over here is 15 billion light years away. How the fuck you know what a light year is? Because of mathematical equations? E equals mc squared? Where? All these are hypothetical. It's kind of like 3 minus 5 is 2 plus 2. This is all a human construct. None of this shit exists. It's like time. 1, 2, 3 is only existing because we made it up. Everyone in the chat's probably thinking twice, like, wait, he's kind of tucking
These
some
levels
sense.
of retardation are off the charts.
Hey!
I mean, theoretically speaking, if you nut in a black hole, does that count as depositing your sperm?
Why? Who let this man cook? I had too much
Seriously?
trolley.
You're really serious right now? I cannot tell if I have sensory problems or if I actually just witnessed a statement with such an immense amount of sheer stupidity. You know, I have seen the most bizarre things from some guy in class jerking it to Ron.
Some guy jerking it to what?
Lower
Jerking it to Ronald Reagan tentacle hentai.
Stone is it? It's the
Whoa.
Bible. Read Dr. Stone.
I didn't even skip it. It just skipped automatically. Brian is bugging.
You better shut your mouth with all this woke up nigger. You making me lose brain cells. Finna slap the taste out of your goofy oofy macaroni looking head garly nigger. Respectfully shut it, before I be over there at 11:15 p.m. Eastern time at night. At your place. Having a battle between me, you and God. Better calm down, Sheer 100.
Let me cook. Did you know that us as humans, right? This is how we look.
Just saying one thing about your ass theory, rules are rules. Senku mad disappointed at you.
Look, right? This is how chat looks. Did you know that only 9% of our brain has been unlocked? Where is the other percent?
Now let me cook real quick. There's not heat in space. So if you nut in a black hole, the nut get frozen. You are depositing
If
the nut
we
for
unlock
usage later.
100%,
If a bitch comes down on some you're the father, this proves aliens exist.
if we
Strike.
unlock 100%, this is how we'll look.
This is why your sisters cook for you.
Look, we will unlock 100%. And this is how we will look. We will become the immortal. 100. But chat. Okay, I'm going to draw somebody with an afro. We are stuck. We are stuck in the 9%. What if we unlock it all? If we unlock it all, oh, eyebrows, we can go crazy. This is Afrogenics. Afrogenics, why did this become Afrogenics? You drew Afro? Praise the Nizit laws? Yo, the nonary game.
Retro is the type of nigger who thinks the Milky Way is actually made up of milk and not the galaxy he lives in.
Now, hold up,
go
hold
in
up,
space,
hold up.
starts sucking the air like he's sucking a titty and then get hit by
Yo,
an asteroid.
the Milky Way. Ain't the Milky Way looking like this? Right?
Bitch, if I unlocked 100% of my brain, I wouldn't be using 0.5% watching yo stupid ass nopers.
Yo! The Milky Way, right? Actually, if you think about it, it was made by, this is our universe right there, right? The dot. A god said, oh shit, he had a carton of milk and accidentally spilled it. Therefore, swirling in the Milky Way. Guten Lagan, so true. You see, look, somebody's believing me. And now the god said, oh shit.
I like Twix more than Milky Way. I don't
Yo,
know
I'm
why
baiting the
talking
chat
about
so hard.
space when that shit ain't even real, it's a green screen, bro. So niggas decided to keep on going with the woke
All right.
I'm finna lose my mind. I'm coming over. At Senpai Retro, be prepared.
Okay.
Cause I ain't getting a headache over this retardation.
Okay,
my nigga
okay.
stare.
Okay, I'm going back.
From this point on, when I think of you, I will imagine a diseased turtle taking an enormous unbelievably large amounts of shit that all the protons inside of the methyl sulfide this horrendous crap contains spontaneously fuse into uranium-235 that I can use to shove a nuke up your submental ass. You can write that off as an exaggeration, but it is 100% true from the bottom of my already empty heart. I legitimately think that you lack intelligence. This man is cooking something worse than Mystery Food X. You must be looking at your bank account real happy right now.
Right? So, hold on, let me cook.
This man is cooking alright, cooking these bits. 3DR Stoner my G, he has all the space answers. FRFR.
Oh my god, okay, yo, y'all throwing so much bits.
Retro, the type of nigga to make the dumbest takes just to farm bits, then get shocked when he gets put in future no context compilations telling us it was a different time. Chat.
So look, right? Us as humans, there's a thing that's called 3D. What is 4D?
Retro is like that one special kid that sits in the middle of
dick
the
small.
classroom that gives the wrong fucking answer with confidence.
Yo, 4D head. Fucking up the construct. What if we are a Smash Brothers stage? Okay, I'm done. Wait, that's 3D? All right, look, 4D. Okay, no more.
What about 5D? They made a Yu-Gi-Oh! 5D coincidence.
Yo, you see, Delta knows. He said, wait, they made Yu-Gi-Oh! 5Ds. It's a coincidence. Okay, no more. Bro, how do we were watching anime and we went on this tangent.
Real deal, because
Now, thank you guys for the biddies. Thank you for the biddies, guys.
Now
You guys are
wait.
bugging.
I'm not done telling you how dumb you are. Nigga thinks that horsepower is based off actual equine.
You're right. Actually, if you think about it, whenever they make a car, right? They stuff a horse. That's a horse. And that's his hair. They stuff it in the car. That's why when cars got 350 horsepowers, they put 350 of these fuckers in the car.
Get the fuck out of here, you garbage ass piece of shit!
Nah, but theoretically speaking.
Okay.
Retro is cooking. Chat. Here's what they do. They shrink
Sometimes
horses to
teachers
mini
and annoying little
sizes and
shit,
then
ain't
they
you?
have them running in hamster wheels.
I want to apologize.
oh, this is one I was most excited
Thank
about.
you, Delta.
Trigun
Thank you, Owl.
Stampede.
Thank
If
you,
got into
Delta,
anime in the
Owl,
same generation I
Rashly,
did,
Fakuro,
Trigun was probably
Afro,
one of the first
Zav.
anime you watched, so I couldn't be more
Aero
excited to
Bliss,
see
thank
this
you.
reimagining from Studio
Electric
Orange.
Lion.
You got a sci-fi
Ryuiolas.
desert setting, Dune meets Clint Eastwood.
appreciate
some
y'all,
good
thank you.
old-fashioned